அதிமுகவில் அண்ணாவின் கொள்கைகளை கைவிட்டு அமித்ஷாவை பின்பற்ற துவங்கிவிட்டனர் என காங்கிரஸ் கட்சி மாநிலங்களவைத் தலைவர் மல்லிகார்ஜுன் கார்கே கோவையில் செய்தியாளர்கள் சந்திப்பின் போது தெரிவித்தார். கோவை மாவட்ட காங்கிரஸ் கட்சி அலுவலகத்தில் அக்கட்சியின் மாநிலங்களவைத் தலைவர் மல்லிகார்ஜுன் கார்கே இன்று செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்தார். அப்போது பேசிய அவர்,
nearly 6,75,000 villages. Out of that, we did 6,24,000 villages electrification. Of course, hamlets and other things also covered that. Otherwise, the revenue villages comes 5,55,000. Why I am telling, after doing so much work, so much electrification, reaching to the village, he says what Congress has done to this country. And even you know that during Rajiv Gandhi's period, when he brought computer, same BJP people opposed it. When he brought mobile, today everybody has got that. They opposed. They said, oh no, people will become unemployed, that this, banks will lose their jobs, he said. But today, crores of people are using mobile. Whose achievement this? This is our achievement. But Modi ji has to read lot of things, and I am not telling only before you. I told this in Parliament on his face, and I asked his reply, but he didn't reply. He only will tell some slokas, and even he quotes some sloka from Tamil poetry. If Karnataka comes, Basveshwar, Vachanas, wherever he goes, he quotes few things, and he deviates from the achievements from Congress. He will not accept it. And today what he has done, what is his achievement, I will tell you. What is his achievement? First he came, suddenly he became Prime Minister. First time MP, Prime Minister, good thing, okay. But during his period, he destroyed the economy of this country. Who asked him to demonetize? Notebandi. Because of that demonetization, our GDP growth came down. Dr. Manmohan Singh ji said, this is a big mistake. It is a robbery from poor people. It is a plunder. But he didn't listen. Raghuram Rajan said, economist, who was also Reserve Bank governor, he didn't listen. Nobel laureates like Amartya Sen, he didn't listen. His own advisors, Subramaniam, that is, what is his name? Arvind Subramaniam, sorry. Arvind Subramaniam ji said, no, this is very wrong, he did. And the Patel, who was a governor, his own choice man from Gujarat, Urjit Patel, he said this is wrong. Everybody told this is a great disastrous. He did not listen. Even therefore, in Coimbatore, all MSMEs gone. Micro, small scale industries finished. Textile finished. Business finished. And people lost money. And he said one fine evening, always he takes decision at 8 o'clock. He said, आज रात के 8 बजे से 1000 रुपए की नोट ये रद्दी के टुकड़े में डालो, इसको कोई कीमत नहीं। 1000 rupees note, it is just a paper. It has no value. I have stopped it. And in COVID time, people are suffering without informing them. Suddenly again, night 8 o'clock, what he said, आज 8 बजे से देश में कोई ट्रेन नहीं चलेगी. No train will move in this country because lockdown. And how many people suffered? All the trains stopped wherever they were. People who came from respective states to work in Chennai, Bangalore, Bombay, Pune, and other places, they walked miles together with children. Many people left their houses. Many people died on the road. Many children lost their lives. This is the Modi's style of functioning, and this is progress. What progress we did, I have got 36 points I can give comparatively. But this is election time. You don't have time, and I don't want to tax you more time. See, COVID also, he did lockdown, his failures, and he did not give any indication at least 8 days before, 4 days before. They could have reached their destinies. The business people could have settled their accounts. The laborers could have taken safer places. So he destroyed MSME, particularly which is affecting Coimbatore, textile industry, jewelry, and even here famous for automobile engineering. Most of them, the diesel engines they prepare here. We used to come here to fix a diesel engine for ambassador cars from that place. So during our elections we wanted. So such whole cities today economically collapsed. GDP has come down, and he is giving a big bhashans. And he speaks about social justice. Where is the social justice for him? Whatever RSS says, he works. Whatever BJP adopt, they say, he goes according to that. Only their philosophy, their ideology, they tell him, he speaks on that only. And that ideology of RSS, BJP is going to destroy us. Particularly, South India is known for progress, social justice, intellectuals, people like Periyar is here, people like Karunanidhi ji, people like several other intellectuals who brought social justice. Kamaraj. He gave midday meal free to educate, and he encouraged the boys, and he is the first man in India to bring this scheme, midday meal.